We just put the seed into here and start grinding. We just make it a powder form to use for our dish. The remaining part we again put into this, and we again grind until all these get like a flour. So we again grind it. We just using a flour, cleaning the flour. Guys, now we are making a molds of flour. Just mixing water. There is no ingredients we use, just making only you add it as salt. Now after making a mold, we just make a little bit pieces, and we make a prapu. Originally the model that we make from these pieces is called prapu. Now we are start making a prapu. Originally it's called a prapu. Here is a shape of also. We make just plain, and there is a 3 kind of shape. Now we are boiling the water with edit of the salt, and now we mix these into the water and cooking for 30 minutes. And just we mix it so that they cannot be attached with each other. We just mix 2 kind of masala, chili mirch and haldi and salt. Now we heat up the oil and mix the salt, chili powder and haldi powder in it. Now we mix it, and after we just little bit mix water. After water, we make a paste of the apricot seed, and now we mixed in the hot oil and just mix up. Let's see. Now we are mixing it. It's looking very beautiful. Now we mix a little bit cow milk, about cup of milk. You see there is now start boiling. We cook it for at least at least 5 to 10 minutes with a high flame of fire. Now we just take from the fire, and the salt is little bit low, so we mix again. This is that we just boiling water, and now we just remove the water from it. It cook. Now we mixed the paste with this, and our dish is now ready, and we put it into the dish to serve. After mixing, we just mix it. It is an ancient dish of Baltistan. From many centuries, these are made at different home. Here's Prapu. Now we take it left for 2 to 5 minutes. After it, we just serve it.